Hi friends. Today actually I wanted to discuss database objects in Oracle. But before that we shall do a small project called insurance in Oracle project. Consider the insurance database given below. The primary keys are underlined and data types are specified. Person, driver underscore ID, string, name string, address string, car, registration number, string, model string, year int. Accident, reportment number, int, registration date, location string, owner, driver underscore ID, that is a foreign key, string, registration number is a foreign key, string, participation driver ID is a foreign key, string, registration number is string, foreign key, report number, int, damage amount, int. This is the schema of the table. Now we shall come to the definition, the query. Query 1. Create the tables by specifying the primary keys and foreign keys. To do this, we need to start Oracle SQL. Just type cm command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, maximize the screen. It has run. We shall run it once again. cm command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, say yes. Yeah, maximize the screen. sqlplus plus forward slash as sysdba sysdba. So here you can see we are successfully connected to SQL. Let us clear the screen. So you have cleared the screen. We shall come to the first table, that is person. So we shall create this table. So here you can see table created. Now if you do describe person, here you can see the structure of the table. Name, driver id, name, address. Driver id is not null because it is a primary key. Varchar 2 10, varchar 2 10, varchar 2 10. Now we shall come to the next table, that is car. We shall create this table. Here also table is created. We need to describe the car. So this is the structure of the table. After car we shall come to accident. You can see table is created. Create table accident, report number, number 10, primary key, registration date, location, varchar 2 10. We shall do describe accident. So here you can see the structure of the table. After accident we shall come to the owner. You can see table is created, table owner is created. Let's describe the structure of the table. So here you can see the structure of the table owner. Let us come to this table participation. table created. We shall describe the participation table. So you can see the structure of the participation table. This is the structure of the participation table. Now we shall come to the second query. Enter at least 5 tuples for each relation. So we shall start with person. We shall use this statement. Here you can see it is showing enter the value for driver ID. Driver ID is 1. So we need to press 1. Enter. Enter the value for name. Name is Khushi, Khushi. Enter. Enter the address, that is sound. So one row created. We can see one row created. Now for the next row, we need to type forward slash. Again it will ask for enter the value for ID. ID is 2. Just enter it. Enter the name, Mamta. Enter the address is BGL. Copy, paste BGL. So you can see one row is created. Now we shall come to the third record. Forward slash. Enter the ID 3. Name is Shri. And address is ABK. Name is Shri. Address is ABK. So one more record has been successfully inserted. Shall come to the next record. Before that we need to type forward slash. Enter the value for ID 4. Name San. Address is ATH. So one record has been inserted. Let us come to the next one. Fifth record, and Savita. Let us copy this. First we need to enter 5. Then we can copy Savita, and address is DWD. DWD. So we have inserted 5 records. Now we shall display these records. So to do that we need to set the line size to 60 and set the page size to 15. Set the top title as person. And set the bottom title as end. Now if you do select star from person, let us clear the screen. CLSCR. If we do select star from person, so we can see Friday Jan 31st person, all the driver ID 1 2 3 4 5, name and address. Now we shall come to the next table, that is car. We need to insert the values in that. So we need to first type the statement. Enter the value for registration number. It is asking KA22, KA22. Model it is asking. Model is Hyundai. And year is 2006. So we have inserted one record successfully. Let us come to the second record. Second record KA24 Maruti 2006. KA24 Maruti. And the year is 2006. We shall come to next record. KA25 Zen 2007. KA25 Zen 2007. After this we shall come to here. This is KA26. Model is Suzuki. And more year is 2002. So one more row we need to insert. This is K27. Model is again Maruti. And year is 2002. So I have inserted all the records, 5 records. Let us display these records. We need not do set line size spaces once again because it is already done. We need to do top title and the bottom title. We shall select star from car. So here you can see Friday, January 31st, that is today's date, registration number, model, and year. Now this is over. Now we shall come to the next table. That is table accident. Here values are report number, registration date, and location. You shall type this. It is asking for enter the report number. First report number is 200. 200. Then it is registration date is 01 Jan 2006. You shall copy and paste it. Location is Bombay. So one row has been inserted. Let us do next one. Report number is 12. Registration date is 30 December 2005. Location is Hubli. We need to enter one more record. Report number is 1313. Registration date is 09 April 1999. Location is Bangalore. We need to insert one more record. To the value for report number. Report number is 14. Enter the registration date 10 October 2002. Enter the value for location is Mangalore. Copy and paste. So we have done with this table. That is accident table. We need to put the top title. We need to put the bottom title. Then we need to select star from accident. So here you can see 4 records: report number, registration date and location. Now we shall come to the next table, that is owner. Insert into owner values, copy and paste. It's asking for driver ID. Driver ID is 1 and registration number is K22. KA22. Asking for second driver ID. Second K24. Second KA24. It is asking for third driver ID. Third is KA25. 3 KA25. It is asking for another driver ID. We put third. Now we need to put fourth KA26. 4 KA26. One more ID we need to insert, KA25, 5 KA25, KA27. 5 KA27. KA27. So we need to put the top title as owner, and bottom title as end. Now we need to display the contents of the owner. Select star from owner. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 K22, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now let us come to the next table. This is the participation table. Let us insert these values. Copy and paste. It's asking for enter the driver ID. Driver ID is 1. Value for registration number is KA22, KA22. Report number is 200. Damage amount, it is 5000. 5000. So one row is created. Let us create the next. Number 2, K24. Number 2, KA24. Report number 12 and amount is 23,000. Report number 12 and amount is 23,000. One more row and we need to insert into the value after 2. 3K25. 3KA25. Report number 13, 5500. One second. Report 13 and 5500. Okay. Report is 13. Amount is 5500. We need to insert one more record. Number 4. That is K26. 4th. KA26. Report number 14 and amount is 7000. Report number 14 and amount is 7000. So that's it, friends. We need to do T title participation. And B title as end. Now if you do select star from participation, we'll get these records 1, 2, 3, 4, registration number, report number and damage amount. Now we shall put T title off and B title off. Copy and paste off. B title also off. B title, that is bottom title. T title is top title. We shall come to the query 3, third A. Demonstrate how you update the damage amount for the car with specific register number and the accident with report number 12 to 25,000. So this is the statement for that. Update participation. Set damage amount is equal to 25,000, where registration number is equal to K24 and report number is 12. So you can see one row updated. Now if you do select star from participation, here you can see a damage amount has been updated to 25,000, where your report number is 12 and vehicle number is K24. It is 25,000. Before it was 23,000. Here you can see it is 23,000. Now it is 25,000. Query third B. Add a new accident to the database. So we can do this by using this simple statement. Copy and paste. Insert into accident values 15 10 Jan 2002 London, semicolon. One row created. Now if you select star from accident, you can see that record. Copy and paste. So here you can see 15, report number 15, registration date 10 Jan 2012 2002, and location is London. So you can see this record has been successfully inserted. Now let us come to the query 4. Find the total number of people who own cars that were involved in accidents in 2002. So for that, this is the command, this is the statement. We need to run, copy and paste. Select count star from owner O, participation P, accident A, where O dot driver ID is equal to P dot driver ID and P dot report number is equal to A dot report number and A dot registration date like last is 2002. Press enter. So count only 1. We have got answer as 1. Now let us come to the query number 5. Find the number of accidents in which cars belong to a specific model were involved. So for this is the statement. Copy and paste. Select count star from participation P where P dot registration number is equal to select C dot registration number from cars C where model is equal to Suzuki. Here also we are getting only 1. That is here only one car has been involved in the accident in 2002, and here find the number of accidents in which cars belong to a specific model are involved. Here only one car is involved. Thank you friends, that's it for today's session. Tomorrow we shall continue with database objects in Oracle. I hope to see you in my next video. Please, if you like my video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.